Hi guys, welcome to the first video of this new random recap series that I've started on my channel. I am going to go through a trade that I took last week on GBP CAD and explain to you why I took the trade and why it resulted in a loss and how I could have avoided the loss. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Daily time frame, we can see we had a liquidity sweep. We then broke previous structure, put in a higher high, came down, higher low, higher high, and higher low. I'm just going to remove price action from here. Now, once we put in this higher low, I was expecting price to come up and take out this level. However, what happened once we reached previous structure, I started seeing rejections. Okay, so I seen this spinning top followed by a bearish engulfing candle, and then we had a bit of downside momentum. Price then went up. We failed to break this candle's high. We then had a bearish engulfer, and then we had a buyer step into the market, and then we had bearish engulfer again. So every time I was looking at this, I was like, okay, every time we're having some sort of bullish momentum, buyers are stepping in and taking over. And then if you go from the daily right to the 4 hour, you'll be able to see that structure did kind of start moving. Sorry, it started switching bearish. Now we had a liquidity sweep right over here on the 4 hour. So I seen this liquidity sweep, and then I seen a break of structure right over here. So we had a break of structure over here, and I was thinking, okay, we've had a break of structure, price has come up, we failed to put in a new high, we've had a break of structure again. So any sort of a retracement, I was thinking price could come down and take out sell side, which is right over there. So I'll take this back onto the daily time frame. So if buy side is over there, sell side is going to be here. Okay, so anyways, I got into this trade. I'm not going to say what my entry was, how I entered, what I looked out for, etc., etc. on the lower time frames. However, I entered shorts on this. Right, let's play this forward. The following candle was a bullish engulfer, and honestly, it was at this point I realized that I messed up. And then what happened is we shot up, and it took me out for a 1% loss, and it created a higher high, as we predicted earlier on, because price was bullish. We failed to take this structure low, so this was a weak high. And yeah, now the lesson that I learned from this, and which you guys would learn from this too, is why higher time frames are so important. I'm going to go on to the weekly time frame, and I'm going to show you something. Now, my short was somewhere around this area. First of all, if you just look at structure on the weekly, it's so nice and clear, right? That even if we put a bearish engulfing candle over here, it wasn't really a bearish engulfer, it was a bearish candle. We cannot ignore the fact that we had an imbalance over here, and we rejected off it, and we had a bullish momentum coming out of it. And also, where was the next liquidity area for price to go to? It was this area over here, which we have now come into. So that was a mistake from my end. Honestly, I don't know why I even took this trade. Regardless of how many years you've been in the market for, however many years experience you have, however many funded accounts you have, you will always take losses in the markets, and some of them are going to be pretty silly, let me tell you that. Some trades you're going to look back at and you're going to be like, why did I even pull the trigger on this? And that's exactly what I did. So, and yeah, I'm not ashamed to share my losses with my students and my followers, my subscribers on YouTube, because everyone takes them. Every trader takes losses. So yeah, that was a loss from my end. It was honestly a clear buy, and yeah, I ended up taking a loss. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of mine, and I hope it was educational for you. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again on Sunday with a new video. Until then, bye.